How to activate TD Bank credit card online. So if you want to activate your TD Bank credit card online, then what you need to do is first you just need to grab your mobile device and then go with Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and go with the search. And under search, you need to search for TD Bank. Once you've searched here, you just need to go with the first option, which is www.td.com. Once you tap on it, it will take you to the website. So once it takes you to the website, now you need to go with the login option, which is on the upper right. Tap on login, and here you will have an option of online banking. Tap on online banking, and now you just need to simply scroll down and tap on sign up for online banking. Once you tap on it, now you need to choose an option under I want to enroll my personal account. So I'll be choosing personal option. Tap on personal account, and then you need to scroll down and tap on I am the account owner for all accounts, and then tap on continue, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then it will take you to the terms and conditions of the TD Bank. So you just need to simply tap on accept, and once you've accepted, now you need to again go with accept, which is on the bottom right. And now everything that you need to do is fill out all of the information which you have right now. So you just need to simply enter your first name, like all of your personal information, enter your last name and the email address. And under your personal account information, you need to tap on the account type. You need to select from this list, and you can simply choose the credit card option, and then you can enter your card number, social security number, and you need to simply enter your create your username and passwords, and you'll be ready to go. But if you face any problems in the future, then feel free to contact their customer support, and they will help you with everything that you need. So that's how you can activate your TD Bank credit card online. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.